What if I told you that there are AI tools out there which are completely free that can write for you, design for you, talk like a human, and even create videos while you sleep? And the best part? Most people have never even heard of them. In this video, I am showing you 10 free AI tools that will make you think deeply about the progress made in AI field. As always, I don't want to waste none of our time. So I will introduce the tools to you with a short intro, describing the primary features of the tool. If you're interested using that tool, you can search for tutorials online or try by yourself too, because some of them are unbelievably easy to use for new users too. Comment down which tool impressed you the most. So without talking more, let's start the list. Number 1, Kburr. Turn your music or art into animated videos. You may find it dramatic, but really, will you believe if I say if you upload a song or some visuals in Kburr, then it will animate the song with stunning AI-generated effects? Musicians use it for music videos. Artists use it for visual storytelling. Even brands are using it to create engaging intros. If you're on a budget and want pro-level animations, Kburr delivers. Don't sleep on this tool. This could be a game changer. Number 2, Perplexity AI Answer Engine. It may be hard for many people to accept that Google is old school now, but after knowing about Perplexity, you might rethink about your opinion. Perplexity doesn't just give you links, it gives you answers with sources, real-time data, and follow-up suggestions. It's like ChatGPT, but with citations. You can ask it literally anything, and it will show you the logic behind its answer. Perfect for students, researchers, or anyone who's tired of vague responses. In my view, this is going to be much more popular and big in coming days. Number 3, Opus Clip. Turn long videos into viral shorts. If you're thinking of making short videos or reels from the clips of long podcast or YouTube video, then for your kind information, Opus Clip is the best tool for you, which will use AI to chop the podcast or any long video into viral, TikTok-style short videos with jump cuts, subtitles, and even auto-captioning. It finds the highlights, hooks, and emotional peaks, then edits them in seconds. This is how smart creators repurpose content and go viral across platforms. This might be a very useful tool, which may lead to a turning point for those who know how to use it smartly. Number 4, Gamma App AI Presentation Maker. This one feels like magic. Gamma takes your ideas or text prompts and turns them into beautiful, modern slide decks instantly. There is no requirement of professional designing skills, and also no formatting stress. Simply type what your presentation is about, and it auto-generates slides with layouts, visuals, and structure. It's perfect for students, freelancers, and even YouTubers who want to use slides and videos. Number 5, 11 Labs Human-like AI Voice. If you're a content creator who likes to use AI tools as a time-saving method, there are chances that you have heard about it. Forge Robotic AI Voices. 11 Labs creates voices so realistic, you will have trouble believing that the voice is not spoken by a real human. You can control tone, pacing, and emotion, and even clone your own voice. For YouTube narration, audiobooks, or TikToks, it's a goldmine. The free plan gives you 10,000 characters per month, plenty for short content. But most of the premium and high-quality features are provided after you pay and take the subscription packages. It's all about your interests. Number 6, DID AI Talking Head Generator. This one's wild. DID takes a still photo and a voice clip and turns it into a talking person. I don't know if you relate or not, but this is one of the childish dream of technology nerds of small age. With the help of this tool, mouths move realistically, eyes blink, and you can even upload your own face. It's being used for AI educators, digital sales reps, or even prank videos. You can save a lot of your time and efforts if you use this tool in a proper way. Number 7, Jenny, AI writing assistant for deep work. Unlike ChatGPT, Jenny writes alongside you. It helps you to complete sentences, suggests academic phrasing, and even add citations in real time. It's designed for students and researchers, but honestly, any content creator can use it for articles, emails, and outlines. The flow feels natural, and the writing? Surprisingly human. It's quite simple to use and does a great job in different sectors. Number 8, Leonardo AI Art with Depth. This is one of the most popular tools on this list, and if you're totally unaware of it, then you must be living under a rock. Sorry for that. But if you're tired of the same generic AI art, here is Leonardo for you, which creates ultra-detailed, game-level assets, characters, and product mockups. You can choose from dozens of trained models or build your own. Artists, game developers, and designers are loving this. And the interface feels premium, even on the free version. Most of the AI, art, or characters that you see around you are generated from this futuristic AI tool. Number 9, Pika Labs AI Video Generator. Now imagine describing a scene, like a robot walking through a rainy city at night, and within seconds, a short, cinematic video appears. That's Pika Labs. It's like Mid-Journey, but for moving images. If you're into content creation, storytelling, or even making YouTube shorts, this tool is a game changer. It turns your imagination into moving reality. This is something kind of stress-busting tool for people who like storytelling or loves the process of art, because Pika Labs gives a visual existence to the thoughts. Number 10, ChatGPT. Okay, I saved the best for last. If someone is aware about AI, then it is sure that he is totally aware about chat. ChatGPT came with a wave which plays a great role in the popularity of AI tools in present time. ChatGPT, available for free, supports voice, vision, and even live browsing with plugins. This is the actual ultimate productivity tool. It can code, plan trips, build meal plans, and write full business strategies. You can literally run a business with it. No exaggeration. And that's a wrap for today's video. These tools are free for now, and if you're not using them, then my friend, you're probably falling behind. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and push that like button. More videos are coming from my side. Stay connected. Take care.